Hey, it is the night before I'm leaving to go to my boyfriend's family's house for Thanksgiving. So I wanted to do my nails. I am doing Malaga wine OPI. It's the time of the year for it. I have tomorrow off, which I'm very excited for, and we are going to see Zootopia 2 in theaters with his niece and nephew, which will be fun, but I haven't seen Zootopia 1 in its entirety. So I think he and I need to watch that before we leave tomorrow morning so that we have the backstory, you know. But I've heard very good things. And then for Thanksgiving Day, we're just having a casual meal with lots of yummy food. We'll have all the typicals: turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing. My boyfriend wants to make stuffing with sausage in it. He's also been tasked with making the pies. My favorite is apple, like always. Well, for fall holiday things, fall and winter holidays. Apple pie is the best, apple crisp. His favorite for Thanksgiving is pumpkin pie. But he also wants to make a pecan pie. So we're gonna have a lot of pie, which is not a bad thing. But I will probably only be eating the apple pie because that's my favorite. I'm in charge of making sourdough turkey loaf. So it's sourdough bread in the shape of a turkey, which reminds me I need to feed my starter. This is good. This is a good reminder. I need to feed myself. I'm going to take it out of the fridge right now. I found it. I need to feed this tonight after I'm done with my nails, which I probably should have done this before I did my nails, but it's okay. I'll let this coat dry and then I'll make it, or I'll feed it. This will be the second year that I'm making the sourdough turkey loaf, and I'm also in charge of making one of like my Nana's classic dishes, which is called spinach cheese bake. It's literally just frozen. I can't speak. It's been a long day. It's frozen chopped spinach, thawed and drained, cottage cheese, an egg, a little bit of flour, salt, pepper, and grated cheddar cheese. What are you looking for? Okay. And then you mix that all up and you bake it, and it's delicious. I could have it all year round. We kind of have it for every holiday, to be honest. It's easy and it's just so good. That's what I'm in charge of. I had made a series of videos about no screen winter activities, or screen-free winter activities, and painting my nails was one of them. I don't know why I'm doing this weird. Okay, first coat is done. And now with dark nail polish, I really just need to sit and wait. So I'm going to do that. Probably upload this clip. And maybe do a little editing. But I'm excited for Thanksgiving tomorrow. I'm really excited. No, not tomorrow, in 2 days. And I need to feed this. So once my nails are dry, once this coat of nail is dry, I will feed this. All right, this is all fed now. So now it's just going to rise overnight. As far as the rest of the night, I'm gonna do one more coat of my nails, let that dry. Then I'm going to finish packing. I already kind of picked out my outfits that I want to wear potentially. So I've got a couple different options. It just depends on how I'm feeling at the time. But I've got a dress and tights option. I've got jeans and a sweater option. So I'm all set there. and then everything in between of cozies, because I want to be cozy. This Thanksgiving prep week, we have also been preparing for Christmas, to get the house ready to decorate, which I'm very excited for. We've got the lights outside already on the house, so that's exciting. And then we're just gonna finish cleaning so that we can come back to a clean house and we can go get our Christmas tree. That's typically what we do the weekend of Thanksgiving. That's the plan. I'm back for my second coat. I'm really excited for Thanksgiving this week. There's so many traditions for the holidays that I love so much, but for Thanksgiving in particular, there are just certain things that I love to do on the day of Thanksgiving. And I don't know, what do you guys like to do as traditions on Thanksgiving? But for me, I love getting up, cozy, chill morning. I do like to watch the parade. I'm not intently watching it. I'm getting up, I'm doing things. It's just kind of on in the background. But like my must watch on Thanksgiving is a Charlie Brown Thanksgiving, because my dad loves Charlie Brown. When he was little, he wrote to the writer of Charlie Brown and he wrote him back. And my dad still has the letter, which I think is the sweetest thing ever. And so that's something that it doesn't feel like Thanksgiving unless I've watched a Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. For some reason, I want to see Snoopy making the popcorn and the buttered toast and putting out the jelly beans. I think it's the cutest thing ever. When I was growing up, we'd have different traditions at the different grandparents' house. So like at my mom's mom and dad's house, you were just wrapped in love all day long. And my Nana did so much. And every holiday, I think about them. I was very, very close with my Nana and Grandpa. There's not a holiday that goes by that I don't think about them and wish that they were here and that we could celebrate together. But I'm very lucky that I have the family that I do, where we carry those traditions on and we have that love. One thing at my Nana and Grandpa's house, when I was really little, my Nana used to, when dinner was ready, she would go up to the youngest kid and say, okay, you get to ring the bell to let everybody know that dinner's ready. It was this little kitchen bell in her kitchen, and their house was not big. It was a teeny little house. Stand in front of the living room doorway, ring the bell a little, and everyone would come into the beautifully decorated dining room. Just a few thoughts I've been having. Like, you know those things of like, if you could ask for anything for like your birthday or a wish, your birthday wish, like what would you wish for? I would wish to have my Nana and Grandpa for a whole day. Well, I'd wish to have them forever. But if I could only have them for a day, I would take it. But good night, and I will speak with you soon. We are in the car, right, Ellie? Yeah. And we are going to be driving to go to Sean's family's house. It's the day before Thanksgiving. Very excited. We are all packed. This car is full. I'm not a light packer when I don't have to go on a plane. Exactly. But now I got my blanket and I may fall asleep. Over the mighty Susquehanna. tiramisu ho-ho. We're at the movies, going to see Zootopia 2. In line for the snacks. Trying to figure out what we're gonna get. Most definitely popcorn. I haven't been to the movies in years, but this was so much fun with the popcorn and the candy. We saw Zootopia 2, and it was really cute and funny. I haven't really seen the first one, but it was worth it. I would go see it again. And then the next morning, I woke up first thing and started shaping the sourdough turkey loaf. I had to remind myself how to do it, but basically you cut 2 slits at the top of the loaf and you fold each side over to create like the little arms, and then you're going to cut the legs off. Now this part feels weird because you're literally cutting chunks out of the loaf, but just trust the process, and as soon as you start changing where those legs live, you'll see the turkey shape. And then you've got to cut your typical score into the bread so that it can cook off. And then this is going to go into the oven for 45 minutes. It's Thanksgiving Day. Finished my hair and I'm currently baking off my sourdough turkey loaf. So I've got a few more minutes until that's partially ready. Then I'm gonna watch the parade and like. Those little legs are so silly.
Like he was the only one cooking. Oh, I cut that out.
Yum. Looks so good. Yum.
See running this 3-ring circus.
Just keep around behind you. Did we finish that sparkling cider?
Yes.
Yes. You want one? You want one in there?